I'm Jill, Master Stylist at Tangerine Salon at our Highland Village location, and this is my story. I went to Oakville Cosmetology School in Hearst and graduated there. I moved to Colorado and found an Aveda salon to work with. I started an internship there. I really figured out early on that Aveda was the product and color line that I wanted to work with. It's so awesome for your hair, natural, and I was so happy when I moved back to Texas to find Tangerine Salon. This is my absolute dream job. I never thought I could achieve so much in my hairstyling career. At Tangerine Salon, they really inspire greatness. I went to New York and LA and took classes there, and that enabled me to work at New York Fashion Week. And because of that, I was asked to be the lead hairstylist at the Louis Vuitton show here in Dallas. And without Tangerine, I couldn't have imagined it being possible. Our culture has really pushed me to be my best, pushing me out of my comfort zone, making YouTube videos, working with the Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders. And at the end of the day, that really inspires me to be there for my guests, give them my all, and that's all I ever hope for. My advice to every young stylist out there is to work hard, never give up, be consistent, find a salon that invests in you, believes in you, and cares about your growth. That's what I found here, and I hope that you find that too.